Hello. Today we are going to look at how to set up email integration inside of your JenesisNow system. To get started, we need to be sure that the email integration has been turned on. To do that, we're looking on the left-hand toolbar and coming down to Agency and All Locations. Then we're clicking on our location. As a reminder, if you have multiple locations, you'll need to do this for each location. And scrolling down, we're looking on the right-hand side at the card labeled integrations. From there, you'll see email integrations. And if yours is turned off, you'll want to toggle it on. Mine is already turned on, so I won't need to do anything. Coming back over to the left-hand toolbar, we're clicking on the tab labeled Users. This is where I would come to set up email integration for my users. I'm going to click into a specific user, and underneath this user's name at the top, you'll see a tab labeled Email Integration. I'm going to click on that. From inside of here, you will have to follow these steps to get your email integration set up and turned on. The first step is going to be adding an email address and then following the remainder of these directions to get that set up. Let me go into an account that has it set up already so that I can show you what it looks like. From inside of this account, I'm going to show you what that looks like. So you'll notice this email address is in here and it says verified. If I come back out to my dashboard and come over to the left-hand toolbar, you'll notice I have a tab labeled email. I'm going to click on email and then I'm going to click on inbox. And this pulls up my email integration inbox. I can see any emails that I have received. I can see sent emails, drafts, and any messages in trash. I can also compose and send an email from here. Now, going back out to my dashboard, let's go into a client and let's show you how to send an email from inside of a client. Looking at the info card at the bright green email text print button, I can send an email from inside of here as well. Coming in, I've already got an email address added for this client. I would need to put in my subject and my message here and then click the green send email button. You can also use a template if you have one saved so that you don't have to type up an email. If I were to go into this customer's policy, I also can send an email and text from inside of the policy. Clicking on that same green email text print button, and I have the same option here. Now, going back out to my client view, we're going to be looking at the card labeled emails. Mine is at the top. However, I did move my card. If you don't see yours, it may be down at the bottom. If you'll notice, I have a received tab and a sent tab on this emails card. If I were to hover over these emails, it will actually give me who it was from and who it was sent to, as well as the subject and message and date that the email was sent. I don't have any received emails in here, but you can see I do have some sent ones. I would like to note you're only going to see messages sent and received through the JenesisNow system. I hope this has been helpful. If you have questions, please let us know.